I'm going to demonstrate how to terminate RG6 quad shield coaxial cable with Sterling SPL6Q compression connectors. I have some generic RG6 quad shield coaxial cable and a bag of Sterling SPL6Q connectors. The most important tools I'll be using are the 200004 stripper and the 16201 universal compression tool. Other tools I'll be using are the CX1 pusher and the 200015 cable cutters. The first step is to make sure that we have a clean, straight cut on the end of the coax. Use a sharp pair of cutters. Then squeeze the end back into a round shape. Next, we'll use the stripper. Notice the Allen wrench stored in the base. It's used to adjust the cutting blades. The strippers are initially set up to strip dual shield RG6 coax. For a video on how to adjust this stripper for quad shield coax, see the Documents tab on the 200004 stripper on our website. Place the stripper on the end of the coax so that the end of the coax is flush with a raised lip as seen here. A few turns is all it should take. Remove the stripper this way, not by pulling it off the end. Remove the end part first. It should come off as one piece, leaving only the bare center conductor. Then remove the ring, which should also drop many small wires. Now remove the outer foil, which should be just scored by the stripper. Fold back the inner braid layer against the jacket. This leaves only the inner foil layer against the white center insulation and prepares the cable for the inner sleeve of the connector. Slide the connector over the coax. Then, using a pusher tool, press the coax firmly onto the connector. The goal is to get the white insulator flush with the bottom of the connector as seen here. You may need to push several times or push while twisting the cable back and forth to get it all the way on. Now for the easy part. You just need a compression tool compatible with your connectors. Insert the connector and cable and squeeze the handle. The last step is to visually inspect the connection to make sure there aren't any stray wires shorting out the center conductor and that the connector is seated firmly. It's normal for the insulation to move in or out a little during the compression process.